Well, historic day for the U.S. as President Joe Biden signs a marriage equality bill into law. As ABC's Liz Kreutz shows us, it's a big win for the president and his legacy, and for all those concerned that the U.S. Supreme Court could try to overturn same-sex marriage.
Alongside survivors of the Club Q and Pulse nightclub shootings, today a historic moment at the White House. President Biden signing the Respect for Marriage Act, which protects the rights of same-sex and interracial couples under federal law.
Marriage is a simple proposition. Who do you love? And will you be loyal to that person you love? It's not more complicated than that.
The new law requires states to honor all marriages, regardless of sex, race, ethnicity, or national origin. It also has protections for religious institutions and does not require states to issue same-sex marriage licenses. The law, a reaction to the Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade, and Justice Clarence Thomas calling for marriage-related precedents to also be reconsidered. Tammy Baldwin, the country's first openly gay senator, said the bill will ease fears about that happening.
We can put to rest the worries of millions of loving couples.
The bill passed the House and Senate with bipartisan support, although a majority of Republicans did vote against it, some calling it unnecessary.
I hope and pray that my colleagues will find the courage to join me in opposing this misguided and this dangerous bill.
Among those at the White House today, the executive director of Equality California, Tony Huang, recently married his husband Ian.
The fact that we were able to legally get married in the state of California and now to be able to go to the White House for this historic bill signing is something that's really personal to the two of us.
And the law comes a decade after President Biden came out in support of same-sex marriage, even ahead of then President Obama. He told the thousands gathered on the South Lawn today that this legislation is a sign of just how far the country has come. Liz Kreutz, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Well, in the meantime, some local faces made an appearance at the historic signing. Michael Galoyu Jr., he's the acting chair of the Hawaii LGBTQIA caucus and also the chair of the Hawaii Pride at Work chapter. They visited the lawn, the South Lawn, sent by the Biden administration to represent the state of Hawaii in acknowledgement to all of the local work done to get to this point.